Today we have a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Angry Teens Find Out Fast They Aren't in Charge of Cops.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You're in my face. You're in my face. Wait. Watch out, bro. He's wrong. You're wrong. You're handling it wrong. His father just got stop. Dog down his dad. Stop. Get your watch commander out here. Get your watch commander out here.
On February 20th, 2023, a Pasadena officer had just pulled out of the station when he came across a disturbance at the intersection of Walnut Street and Marengo Avenue, involving 3 individuals locked in a heated argument. What appeared to be a routine check quickly became something that required backup, as the situation unfolded in ways the officer did not expect in those early morning hours.
Stop. He's just... So what? Let them do that. What they gonna do to this? Keep doing stupid. You give me, Annie, give me a head up when I see him. Go in the house.
Okay, officer putting them gloves on. All right, let's go.
Head up when I see him.
So far, so good.
Heads up when I see him. It's up when I see him.
Is this your son?
These are my sons.
Okay.
Why you have him drop you off right there?
Hey! Walk that way.
I don't have to do this. My little brother. I don't have to do this. My little brother. Oh God, I shouldn't even talk to you. Just that. I just killed my dad out my face. Oh God, I shouldn't even talk to you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You're in my face. You're in my face. Dude, what are you doing? Wait. Watch out, bro. He's wrong. You're wrong. You're handling it wrong. His father just got last week. Stop. Down his dad. Stop. Get your watch commander out here. Get your watch commander out here. Get your watch commander. No, I'm not. What's hiding him, bro? Dude, y'all just killed my dad, bro.
All right, so relax.
Serious? Nah, bro. Are you serious?
Ma'am, listen.
No.
Listen.
This ain't right.
Ma'am.
This is look at how they doing my kids.
Okay.
Dude.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Hey.
Call your watch commander. Y'all just my daddy name. Wait, give me the sergeant out here. Hey. Give me. Okay. It's really on now.
Why, bro?
Oh God, it's on. Look at how he's aggressive with me.
Mom.
And I'm trying to tell him.
Mom.
Dude, stop doing me like that. No, it ain't no you.
What's going on?
Bro, I got into an altercation, bro. Ain't nothing going on. I ain't high, bro. Can you hide him, bro? Y'all just my daddy, bro. Come on, bro.
You have anything in your pockets?
I don't, sir.
All right, how old are you?
Sir. I'm 17, bro. I'm 17, bro. I think my wrist broke, bro. You broke my wrist, bro.
He broke your wrist.
Is this your phone?
Yeah, bro. Shut up.
Stand over here.
That's how y'all gonna do me? That's how y'all gonna do me, bro?
What are you talking about?
Y'all just straight me.
Relax.
We're working.
You.
Relax.
Whoa.
You need medical attention?
Huh?
You need medical attention?
I think so, bro, cause my wrist been fractured.
Need the paramedics?
No, bro, I don't.
Okay.
Y'all just killed my daddy, though. Let me go, bro. Why y'all got me in handcuffs? I don't got nothing on me, bro.
Okay. We're just figuring out what's going on. That's all.
That's cold, bro. That's man. Bro, come on, let me go.
Are you going to relax?
Yes, let me go.
Stop it.
That's
On
it.
everything. Stop it. Stop it.
That's cold, bro.
On everything. Stop with the bull.
This my
Everyone
fault.
negative.
I ain't gonna lie, it's my fault. I'll tell y'all what y'all want to hear.
What's happened?
So what's
Let
going
my
on?
brother go. He ain't do nothing. I ran up on my brother.
Why did
My
you
brother
run up on
got.
your brother? Why?
I ran up on my brother because
Why?
I had something. It's not your business. Sir, bro. Come on, bro.
Nothing like a little pain complaint.
I think someone's in that car.
No. Excuse me. Excuse me, hold on. Can I tell y'all what happened?
Yeah, after you have a seat.
Hold on, bro.
Have a seat.
Can you fix the handcuffs, though?
After you have a seat, get your feet in.
Let me put my feet in. Wait. Where my phone at?
Don't worry about it. So what's going on? Why are you fighting with your brother?
Bro, because I had an altercation with my brother, bro. I got anger issues, bro. It's something me and my brother had personally going on.
So what started the argument?
Bro, it's none of your business. Something about my father, bro.
It is my business when you're fighting in public.
Alright, well. What you looking at?
Don't worry about what they're looking at. I'm talking to you. So what started the argument?
Can I please get out?
After you tell me what's going on.
I just told you, bro.
What started it? Okay, what started it?
Altercation. I woke up. I started it, bro. I just told you. I came out, bro. I ran up on my brother. I got anger issues, bro.
Okay. Did this happen here or this happen in the apartment?
Right here, bro. Right here.
Okay.
Is my brother good? Can I get out? Yeah.
Okay, so you don't need the paramedics or anything?
I don't.
I'm going.
I think my hand broke, bro. I think I broke my wrist.
Do you need the paramedics?
Bro. No, I think I broke my wrist, bro.
Right.
Damn, I ain't good, bro.
Can you just step by there?
What are you doing?
Okay. Let them do their job.
No, I didn't do.
Hold on.
That's the thing.
Stop resisting.
I didn't do. So what are y'all talking? He's touching my face, all that.
Probably what I'm seeing.
Ooh. I swear to you. Bro.
Is he in handcuffs already? Yeah.
I'm not getting in no car, especially with your don't touch me. Oh God, so
pull him over there to the
I'll do
side.
talk to you. Look, you can touch me, but I'm not touching anything. Oh God.
Clearly, let me talk to my kids because right now they're emotional.
I don't know what's going on. Are these two your kids?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I please get out and talk to them, please?
No.
Let me figure out what's going on. I don't think any of you guys.
You can't even control them. You can't control them. I get it. They going through it. You know what I'm saying? If they pops just passed away and all that, you know, any kid would be emotional. You know, any kid would be, you know, that's a big deal. But she talking about, can I talk to him, this and that? You was there the whole time and you can't control them. So that ain't gonna help. Before the cops got there, the mom was there. And they was getting into it. So what's gonna change now? You can't control these boys. And the way that it looks is it looks like they're gonna start to go down a bad path, you know, because I don't know the situation, but if they're saying that the officers, the father got into an altercation with the police and he ends up passing away, I mean, how do you get in an altercation with the police and to begin with? You know, something had to be going on for the police to get called, you know, or whatever. So these kids are doing things to get police officers' attention, because if he was just leaving the station or whatever and he just seen some people walking, he's not gonna stop. But they was getting into it, so he gonna stop. Now you got the police officers' attention.
Go to the jail. I really don't know. I don't think you guys.
I need to talk to my baby so he can calm down, please.
Both of them are your sons?
Yeah, but let me talk to the little one so he can calm down.
Okay, let me find out what.
Because he's going to keep just going. I don't want him to just keep going off. I just need him to be calm. You know, they're angry. Their dad just the sheriff's a couple of weeks ago. Y'all know, y'all heard about it.
Towns up here.
Towns up here.
Okay.
So they're angry, you know, and it's just, this chick just went all bad, like.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry.
But they didn't even give us a chance to say anything because your partner over there, the one they had to send back to the station, he came out, slammed my son all in the bush. I am definitely letting no boy know. They didn't even give us a chance to tell him what was going on. Yeah, the brothers are out here arguing or whatever, but they didn't give us.
Okay.
That's okay.
Well, I just got here, so I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. You know, I'm not wanting to send any.
It's fine. It's fine. Or treat me like that just because we live down here.
No, I'm not saying
and
that.
Stuff. That's exactly how I'm taking it. How
I'm
did
trying to
you feel?
get you out of the car.
How did I go from and all that to wanting to run my name and stuff?
We do that with everybody.
No, y'all don't do that with everybody.
Okay.
No, y'all don't.
Hey,
I live right here. I see y'all enough right here.
I have a question for you.
Come on now.
These are your kids, right?
Yeah.
One of them, you
Yeah.
Okay. Is there going to be an issue if they both
They're
end
going to
up?
be fine. I got them.
Okay.
Hey, ma'am, I got your cell phone in my car. I'll give it back to you, okay?
Thank you. You're the only one that was nice.
All right, bro, you gonna be all right? Move.
Don't grab my hand.
Just relax.
Don't grab my hand.
See, this guy, they going down the wrong path, man. You about to get let out. They just wanted to clear some things up, see what was going on. You know, you being detained, not arrested. But here you go popping off again. It's a time and a place, man.
Get to the sidewalk.
Okay. Stop. Move. Everything. Just stop. This is not, you can't be mad at the world. I go my horse. Tissue.
Where your feet?
The individuals involved were identified as members of the same family, and no arrests, citations, or criminal charges were filed. No use of force was reported, and all parties left the scene voluntarily. The incident now sits under separate legal review due to later allegations made by the involved parties. Please show your support by liking this video to see more of these cases with a proper legal analysis.
See? Yeah, see? And then when they come across the next person, it's going to be a similar case like this. Nothing really, you know, they don't really got to arrest them or whatever, you know, but they going to arrest them anyway. Why? Because they try to see what's going on with you guys or whatever and let you guys go, but now you want to have accusations. Come on, man. You being detained. Y'all was arguing, y'all fighting in the street, whatever, you know, whatever charge they want to come up with. You can't be fighting in public and stuff. Like, they let y'all go. It's a family dispute. They understand what's going on, what happened with your pops and everything. Just run, you know, lock you up or not lock you up, arrest you, make sure everybody's name is good. Y'all go about y'all business, man. No, this one threw me to the ground and threw me in the bushes and broke my arm. And, you know, see, so now the next person, that's why they don't even be cutting breaks like that no more. That's why they don't even be cutting breaks. Unbelievable, man. But anyway, I get the officers, you know, they did their thing. So I give them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.